Hello students, topic for today's lecture is difference between a tender and an auction. Basically what a tender is. Tenders are the sealed bids that are submitted directly to the seller, right? The seller will then pick the winning bid at the end of the sale. All tenders end at the same time. Buyer do not see any other offers that have been made, right? That is, it is only done at a single point of time. All the sealed buds are being put on the table, and the seller directly picks one up, and then he decide that who will pass that, in whose favor a tender has been passed, right? And all lots of will end at the same time. And what a auction is? Auctions are a sale where the equipment is awarded to the highest bidder. It is a sale in which the product, equipment, property has been given to that person who basically pays the highest amount for that product. Will be paid the seller. Will be given the equipment. Buyers can submit bids up to the deadline of the option. The buyer is a person who can submit the bid up to the deadline of the particular option. Some lots may be extended through the bidding process. The bids are open so the buyers can see that what the current highest bid on the equipment they are bidding on. Basically, this was the current difference between the tender and auction, that in it only at a single time it is given, and in this the auction, the person who gives the highest amount for that particular equipment is been awarded that particular equipment. I hope the concept of the difference between auction and tender must be clear to you. Thank you.